I'm going to show you how to calculate the area for each quadrilateral. And there's really just one formula, which is area equals base times height. And I'll show you what base and height is for each shape. First, I'm going to show you how to do is the square. The area is just A equals S squared because all the sides are the same on A squared, which would just equal 2 squared, which would equal 4. So the area of this shape is 4. Next, we're going to do rectangle. The area is A equals base times height. And this is the base, and this is the height of the rectangle. And that would just be 4.64 times 2.74. I'm not going to write that out, but that would equal 12.7. And it's in centimeters. And that is how you calculate the area of a rectangle. Even though the triangle is not a quadrilateral, I'll just show you how to calculate the area of that. It's almost the same as, well, this is for a right triangle. It's almost the same for a regular quadrilateral, except you times it by half, because a triangle is a half. So it would be A equals base times height times 1/2. In this triangle, you don't need C, you only need A and B. So it'll be 3.4 times 1.96 times 1/2. And that'll give you 3.3. That's how you calculate the area for a triangle. Next shape I believe I'm going to show you is a kite. And this one's a little different. You don't really use base times height. You use A and B, which is the diagonals, times 1/2. These are the diagonals, 3.33 and 5.04. You'd multiply that by 1/2, and that would give you 8.4. And that is how you find the area of a kite. And the same formula for to find the area of a rhombus, because you just use the diagonals. I shouldn't have erased that. I have to rewrite that. But it's the same thing. This is A, this is B, A and B. So it would be 3.14 times 4.49 times 1/2. And that would give you 7.1. That's how you find it for kite and rhombus. Next we're going to do is trapezoid. Trapezoid is a little longer because you have to do more stuff. The formula to find the trapezoid would be area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height And base 1 and base 2. This is base 1, 4.18, and base 2 is 2.66. You'd add those two together, which would give you 6.84. You divide 6.84 by 2, and multiply it by 1.36, and that would give you 4.6. So this is 4.6 centimeters. That's how you find the area of a trapezoid. Then we're going to do parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is just a equals base times height, like the other shapes. I'm not going to bother this. And this is the base, and 1.69 is the height. So it'll just be 3 times 1.69. And that'll give you 5.07 or 5.1. That's how you calculate the area of a parallelogram, and that is all.